और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
So in this video, we are going to have a look around how to create a blog post or an article with the help of ChatGPT. But before deep diving in it, I would like to give you an overview that how do people generally do this thing to get it done with the help of ChatGPT. So basically, what people used to do, they just come here, they write a blog post on lifestyle, for suppose. We'll write lifestyle and they get a result. For this prompt, I have got a title, Embrace a Balanced Lifestyle for Health and Happiness, introduction, this question, this subtitle, subtext for these things. Let me give you an overview and a beautiful tip of utilizing this ChatGPT tool to get your result in a more enhanced way. So, being a human, it is not possible to craft and create a beautiful prompt and use that much of mind each and every single time. So that is why there is an extension called AI-PRM. This beautiful extension is packed with thousands of preloaded prompts. All you have to do, just select the topic, just select the category, just select that particular prompt, input your information and just click on the enter button and then it is all done. Let me give you a demo that how does this actually works. So to get this done, first let's open this AI-PRM Chrome extension. We'll search this. Here it is, this AI-PRM for ChatGPT. Let's click on it. AI-PRM for ChatGPT. Let's click on this get button. I'll click on add extension. So now I am all done. So now you can see that there is a lot of prompts that is being displayed on my screen, and even you can see it on the screen if you are doing it live with watching this video. So I'll just come here and click on this topic. There is a lot of topics. For suppose I'll click on this copywriting for now, and I'll just scroll down and there is a prompt called as blog post title generator. Like, I don't know which topic or which title would work so well, so I'll just click on this prompt. For the topic, I have selected hostel life, and let's see what are the keywords that I'm getting here. So I have got around 5 topics. So now let's do one thing. So all I have to do is now I'll be choosing all these topics and I'll be seeing that which topic can perform well and what is the average monthly search in the Google Keyword Planner and what is the competition for all the specific topics. So all I have to do is open the Google Keywords Planner. Let's get into it. So Google Keywords Planner, let's get down. Open the Google Keywords Planner, select this thing. Start selecting this thing. Hostel life, unveiled. And then this hostel life chronicles. And with this thing, I'll also enter hostel life here. And I'll click on this get results. And as per the average monthly searchers, I'll choose which keyword is working well and which has the low competition. Depending upon all this thing, I'll choose one of the best, topic, and then I'll get back to ChatGPT. So for suppose if I have decided to write an article on this topic, which is the discover the untold secrets of hostel life, confessions of a backpacker. First thing we have completed that we have curated and found the best topic that is performing well, which has low competition and the average monthly searchers is also quite well. So now it's time to get back to be in the ChatGPT plane and choose the right prompt with the help of AI-PRM and get the article done. And then we'll also see how to remove the plagiarism and we'll see is it completely 100% unique. So let's get back to ChatGPT. So now we'll go up, click on this topic, and now I'll click on this topic. I'm in SEO in the topic section. And when I scroll it down, so here it is, human written 100% unique, fully SEO optimized article including FAQs, outline article. I'll go with this one basically. 100% unique SEO optimized article and it is human written. So I'll just click this prompt. I'll choose the tone completely default. Writing style I want to be default. I want the English to be the UK English. I'll just enter my topic here and I'll click on the enter button. Now this will give me a detailed and a refined article as per my requirement. I don't have to give any kind of detail prompt. All I have to do is install the AI-PRM extension and give the right topic, and with the help of this extension, the prompt will automatically be chosen and things will be done automatically. So now you can see that this is an outline of the article. And you see the topic, the subtitles and all those things completely have got a complete full thing where you don't have to do any more single thing. Now let's get more deep dive into it. Now we'll copy this entire article and we'll make sure that it is 100% pure, unique or not. So to do this thing, all we'll be doing is we'll be going up, we'll be copying this entire article from top to bottom, and then we'll be going to a website called Dupli Checker. Just go and search for Dupli Checker in the Google, and then you will see this website which is Plagiarism Checker, 100% free and accurate. We'll open this website and we'll just paste our article here. And when I come down, just come down, click on check out this box. I'm not a robot. So all you have to do is check plagiarism or grammar check. I click on check plagiarism. So in the meantime, before moving ahead, I would like to introduce you one more important thing. If you are someone who wants to get adapted with the AI technology and wants to learn more and more about the AI technology and want to be a part of this new futuristic world and don't want to be left out from this learning, then we have beautifully curated a workshop for you that is coming up with an inspiring and a very reasonable price. If I tell you the price, I'm not selling it to you, I'm giving this offer just for your own upgradation. This workshop is just for ₹9. So do not forget to check out this workshop. I have given you the link in the description below. This is just a trailer and the workshop will be giving you more and more amount of information. So do check out the link given in the description below. So the Dupli Checker is still checking out the plagiarism. So yes, I'm completely impressed because this prompt has worked so amazingly. If you just check this score, let me focus on this thing because for the very first time I have got 100% unique score because usually I get only 90 to 95%. So this time I have got 100% unique score. It means that there is no plagiarism found in this article. So if I just go down, so I'm ready to use this. I can also download it as a Word report or a PDF report. So now all I can do is copy this entire information and post this as a blog on my WordPress site or at anywhere. Like it might be LinkedIn, it might be a website blog or an article, or it might be anything. And yes, let me give you one more information. In some cases, you might see like there are plagiarism. Like as of now, it is showing that it is 0% plagiarism. But in few cases, it might show like this line. For suppose we'll deep dive into this to have own. Just as an example, if you see this thing, this particular section will be marked in red color, and in that cases all you have to do is just select that particular statement, get back to ChatGPT and just ask this, please rewrite this sentence in a different and unique way. I'll give an open bracket, just bring it down and just give the enter button. And now you just have to copy it, get back to the Plagiarism Checker website, come up, just select that portion, replace it with the result that you have got on ChatGPT, and then just scroll it down and again click on check plagiarism. Till the time you're getting 100% uniqueness, you can use this feature, keep rewriting it and get your article done. So this is how you can make your 100% unique article, which is SEO optimized, which is also 100% human written article, with just the help of one extension, which is AIPRM. If you found the video useful, then do not forget to hit that like button, and yes, I would love to see all your prompts in the comment section below so that people can interact and use your prompts, and you can also learn and use other people's prompts with the help of this comment section. And yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon because Be10x is all there to make you get adapted with the all new AI technology and help you teach the AI. So with this thing, I'm wrapping up this video and I'll be with one more another topic. Till then, bye bye.